my book bag up and stuff. And take out my book. My cute bun. My donut book, not my banana book. I'm so silly. It was stuck in there. Anyways, my book bag's right there. And then I'm gonna put it right there. Right. I have my little book. It's so soft. I love it. That's why I chose it out. Alright. Here at school is a new day. Alright, so all I need to do is just open my backpack up and take out my book, and I will set my backpack to the side. Alright, I have my book. Alright, so on the board it says that first we have to do our writing. Well, good thing I already prepared at the house, because she said that if you want to, you can prepare at the house. Alright, I think I should start, because I really didn't do it. Oh no. Oh. She says you can have free time and like sleep and stuff if you already done it, like have a break. Alright, I should get to doing it. Alright, I'm all done. Ow, that hurt. Well, sorry, you shouldn't have been snoring. Sorry, it's my life. Anyways, let's look at the board. Alright, it says after your writing, that hurt. I'm sorry. Alright, it says to do our math in our math books, or our books. Alright, so anyways, let's get to doing the math. Alright, I'm all done. Alright, I should go check on Katti. I'm done almost. Alright, it's 20. Alright, I'm all done. Anyways, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna break the fourth wall. Anyways, like and subscribe to this video and you will have like 10 years of luck. Like seriously. But if you don't, Slender Man will attack you like the hand. Alright, back to the video. Alright, on the board, the next one says to do our science. Science? That's not science, stupid. Oh. You're looking at the wrong thing.